Welcome to Get Updated. Today we have the healthy dessert maker from Yonauas for you. It is easy to use and it makes delicious frozen ice cream, and you need to use frozen fruit for it. It is healthy because you can read here. You can use only fruit. If you want to add sweet, it depends on you. Okay, so let's unbox this ice cream maker. Here comes a manual, that is the most important thing, which tells you how to use it and how to clean it after using, and everything is in here. Okay, let's take the machine out. So it's packed in a nice box, and inside you can see it's protected well. So here it is. Now let's see how it makes ice cream or a frozen dessert. So here you see we have plugged the machine, and we keep a small bowl under frozen banana. So this is ready now, and as you have seen, we have used 2 bananas and 4 strawberries in this. So here it is, a bowl full of yummy ice cream. Now you can add syrups to it if you like to add some flavors. So here we have some strawberry syrup. We can add this to make it sweet for the kids, because I'm sure they don't enjoy that healthy ice cream. So this will make it more yummy, and they would certainly enjoy it now.